Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 430i M Sport Convertible here at your next car. As always, I'm going to show you around the car a little bit. I'm going to talk about some major talking points and features. I'm also going to, of course, pop the roof up, allow you to have a look at that in action, and of course take a seat inside the car. The vehicle itself is presented in Glacier Silver Metallic, and alongside that we've added a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. That includes a brand new set of 20-inch M Performance style alloy wheels, also come with brand new tyres. You'll see there, the car's a 2016 16 plate, has the very nice Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. Down the side of the vehicle, as well as being able to see that the vehicle is fantastically presented, we've got the BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls, along with gloss black sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. So alongside the eye-catching alloy wheels, thanks to me having the roof down on the car, we can see there we've got the black Dakota leather, and this vehicle features the fantastic convertible comfort package. And if you're unsure what that includes, it does include the air collar, so a nice device that brings a nice warm draft of air to the back of your neck, alongside heated seats and a heated M Sport steering wheel. Front seats consist of electric movement and memory for driver's side. It's an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and we get a very spacious and very comfortable Isofix rear bench, a central folding armrest, and behind there the storage space for the wind deflector, which is of course designed to remove some of that wind turbulence that can be experienced at higher speeds. Round towards the rear of the car, excuse me, we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler, matching rear diffuser, front and rear parking sensors, and of course often a talking point with any convertible can be the boot area. And upon initial looks, you think it's exactly the same with this one. However, we can lift the roof partly back out of its storage tray, thanks to BMW's very clever technology and innovative ideas. Once that's lifted out of there, you'll be able to see that you do get a very usable size boot. Storage tray open, and there you can see that is a very nice size boot for a hardtop convertible. Comes of course with the genuine floor mats, again nicely presented. Popping that back down, roof will fold away nice and neatly back into its storage tray, and we'll move around towards the other side of the car, where again you'll be able to see that this Glacier Silver really works very nicely with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car, alongside those very standout alloy wheels. And of course I shall now move on, start with popping the roof up and allow you to have a look at that. And towards the end of the video you can see what the car looks like with the roof fully closed. Inside the car we have got the professional wide navigation and media screen. I'll start the car up. Down here, just in front of the roof operating switch, is the activation switches for the air collar. Whilst the roof begins to close itself, we can have a look at other features. So in terms of that lovely professional screen, you do of course get satellite navigation, Bluetooth telephone and audio, all of which I'll show you in a bit more detail in just a second. Dual climate control alongside switches for our heated seats. And not forgetting, we've also got a heated M Sport steering wheel on the car, as you can see around there. So that little audible noise is just to let me know that the roof is now closed. 37,000 miles, 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on our multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So there is of course the sat nav I was mentioning. You get Bluetooth for both telephone and audio, DAB, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, including USB, Bluetooth audio, AUX, and of course the fabulous music collection. The vehicle itself does have full BMW service history, and we'll click in and show you that in just a second. So there you can see all of the service items in green. Next service, 17,000 miles, including both front and rear brakes. Plenty of life left in those as well. Service history, there you can see all full BMW service history as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch our walk around video on the fantastic 430i M Sport Convertible. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, found it useful. If you do want any further information, however, if you look in the description, you'll find both a link to our website alongside direct contact details to get in touch with us here at Your Next Car. Thanks once again, and hopefully we'll see yourself soon. Do of course take care. Thank you very much. Goodbye.